Greetings and salutations, dear viewers. Get ready for some fantastic content. Welcome, friends, to our video dedicated to Ryan Odom. Let's dive right in and uncover its wonders. Robert Ryan Odom, born July 11, 1974, is an American men's college basketball coach who is currently the head coach of the VCU Rams men's basketball team. He was previously the head coach of the Lenoir Rhyne Bears, the UMBC Retrievers, and the Utah State Aggies. Odom served as the interim head coach of the Charlotte Ayers men's basketball team from January 6 until March 15, 2015. In this capacity, he replaced Alan Major when Major went on a medical leave of absence to deal with chronic health issues. After one season as head coach at Lenoir, Odom was head coach at UMBC from 2016 to 2021. In the 2018 NCAA Division I men's basketball tournament, UMBC upset number 1 seed Virginia and became the first number 16 seed to beat a number 1 seed in NCAA Division I men's tournament history. In 2021, Odom became head coach at Utah State. Let's now shift our focus to playing career and explore the ways in which it shapes our perspective. Odom graduated from Richard J. Reynolds High School in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, in 1992 and enrolled at Hampton-Sydney College out of high school. Odom was a 4-year starting point guard for the Hampton-Sydney Tigers under head coach Tony Shaver, serving as team captain his senior year. He left the Tigers ranking the school's all-time leader in three-point field goals and 4th in assists. Odom graduated from Hampton-Sydney in 1996 with a degree in economics. In this part of the video, we'll be delving deeper into coaching career and analyzing its key components. Odom began his coaching career as a graduate assistant at South Florida. He also had stops as an assistant coach with Furman, UNC Asheville, and American, before spending 7 years on Seth Greenberg's staff at Virginia Tech. In 2010, he joined the coaching staff of Charlotte, serving as an assistant for 5 years, including being interim head coach. Odom was relieved of his coaching duties on March 16, 2015 when Major and the university mutually agreed to part ways, and his staff was not retained. Odom compiled an overall record as Charlotte's interim coach. After Charlotte, Odom accepted the job at Lenoir, leading the Bears to the quarterfinals of the NCAA Division I tournament in his only season at the helm before accepting the head coaching position at Division I UMBC, replacing Archie Thomas. Let's now enter the realm of UMBC and discover the fascinating stories it has to tell. In his first season at the helm of the Retrievers, Odom orchestrated a 14-win improvement over the team's season the previous year to overall record and 5th-place finish in the America East Conference. The 21 wins are second most in school history. For its efforts, UMBC accepted a bid to the 2017 College Incidicum postseason tournament, where it won its first-round matchup against Fairfield for the first postseason win in program history. From there, the Retrievers defeated St. Francis, PA in the second round and advanced past Liberty in the CIT quarterfinals before falling to Texas Corpus Christi in the semifinals. The regular season saw the Retrievers finish in second place in the America East, with a record, and earning the conference's automatic berth into the NCAA tournament when it knocked off Vermont in the 2018 America East men's basketball tournament final, earning its second ever NCAA tournament appearance. During the 2018 NCAA tournament, the Retrievers became the first men's seed ever to defeat a seed in the first round with a victory over Virginia. After the historic win, the Retrievers lost in the second round to Kansas State. The following season, Odom led the Retrievers to another 20-win season and another appearance in the 2019 America East Tournament Final, where it fell to Vermont. In his final year at UMBC, Odom guided the Retrievers to a share of the America East regular season crown for the first time since 2008. Let's now shift our focus to Utah State and explore the ways in which it shapes our perspective. On April 5, 2021, Odom was announced as the head coach at Utah State. As we progress through this video, let's shift our attention towards VCU and uncover its hidden depths. Odom was named the 13th men's basketball coach for Virginia Commonwealth University on March 29, 2023. With our curiosity piqued, let's embark on a dedicated exploration of personal life and its fascinating intricacies. Odom was born in Durham, North Carolina, the son of former East Carolina, Wake Forest, and South Carolina head coach Dave Odom. He is married and has 2 children. His son Connor, who played for him at Utah State and VCU, was one of 2 recipients of the United States Basketball Writers Association's Perry Wallace Most Courageous Award in 2023. Connor received the award for his advocacy on mental health issues after going public with his own struggles with anxiety and obsessive-compulsive disorder following a teenage bout with Lyme disease. He shared the award with St. Louis' Terrence Hargrove, another player who openly discussed his own mental health issues. Moving on to the next segment, we have head coaching record. Charlotte head coach Alan Major took an indefinite leave of absence due to medical reasons on January 6, 2015. Charlotte's record at the time was CUSA. Remember, knowledge is power. Keep learning, growing, and exploring.